Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain says the violence that broke out on May 3 was due to lapses of security and intelligence. Appeals community to vent their anguish to government and not to make it communal. Work from home IT professionals fear of losing their jobs due to prolonged internet ban in the state. Urges government to make considerate arrangement to provide internet for them. Displaced people who are taking refuge at various relief camps in Thanga and Moirang constituency of Bishnupur district appeals government to promptly arrange a place for temporary settlement. And restored print of Manipuri filmmaker Aribam Shyam's masterpiece Isano premieres at Cannes Film Festival.